Hello everybody, it's me Max, and today we'll be making a delicious non-dairy cake. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For this cake we need 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 cup of sugar, a cup of vegetable ghee or oil, 3/4 cup of orange juice, half cup of dried fruits or raisins. In a bowl, we will put the flour, baking powder, and the cinnamon together, and then mix well and let it aside. In another bowl, put the sugar, the vegetable ghee or oil, or you can mix the ghee and the oil. Then add the orange juice and mix well as you see in the video. Then add the mix to the flour. Then mix well as you see in the video. Then add the dried fruit or the raisins. Then mix well. Then put it in a brushed oven pan that is size 30 by 20. Then put it in a heat oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit on the middle shelf. It took 35 to 40 minutes in the oven, and this is how it looks like after it came out of the oven. Let it completely cool and then cut it. I hope you try out this cake sometime, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.